Move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazz and today we're doing a DIY hairstyle with curly clip-ins. I absolutely love clip-ins. First time I ever used clip-ins was probably when I was about 18, but I really started using them recently just because I always wanted to add a little bit more to my hair, but sew-ins don't work for my hair. Clip-ins were the easy medium. My hair is very fine, a little on the softer side. Things like braids, added hair, or anything just like to slip on my hair. But clip-ins stay in my hair for a good amount of time. I can easily put them in, easily take them out, and it's just easier for what I'm trying to go for. But today we're doing an install from Curlsqueen. First of all, the packaging is so cute. It says to be fresh, gifted, female, and black. I know it's right. Like this is their target audience. We're gonna do a little unboxing before we get into the install. I am such a huge advocate for clip-ins, especially for people who like to switch up their hairstyle or do something quick, want to take it out later, or like I said, the other hairstyles just don't work as well for your hair. Like I feel like clip-ins was literally gold when I found out what they were and how to actually use them. Let's get into this unboxing. Just look how cute she is. With a lot, like I'm actually surprised. Usually when I've gotten hair in the past, it usually just comes with the hair, maybe some random eyelashes or something, but this one is really cute. Like I feel like I would use everything in this package. This little care kit, and it's pink. I think the cutest things are pink. Like I am truly like a pink girly pop girl. Okay, it comes with a brush. It says Curlsqueen. How cute is that? It has the different heights for the brushes, so basically that is really good for detangling hair. Okay, it comes with some extra clips if you ever lose it, and a bonnet. Oh my gosh. Oh, a drawstring bonnet. I think it's reversible. This is so cute. I have a black and a pink bonnet, but I think tans or neutrals are my way to go now. This is really cute. To get into her, we're kind of doing a blind reveal together because I haven't even opened this myself. So again, the pink is everything. Ooh, comes in a net. Okay, let's see what she's working with. But she's heavy. Like this is one pack of hair and it's pretty dense. Okay, here she is. It's so soft already. Like, oh my gosh. This is a 20-inch WaterCurly clip-in. So this is 20 inches, which I think is amazing just to like see how like tight the curls can be if you really wanted it to be. But it feels so soft. And then I feel like there's actually a lot of hair in here. So this is exactly what I'm looking for. I'm excited. Like this would be a really great match to my hair type and hair color. I will be leaving my own hair out. Before I used to like braid up my hair just so it can clip onto my hair well, and so I put less heat on it. But I am using my natural curls. I can leave all my hair out, so that'll save me time and energy, which is amazing. Look at this cute little thank you card. Like, no, thank you, girl. So let's get into it. So before we do anything, we're gonna go ahead and wash the hair. This is me just taking it out the little plastic that it came in, and I'm just wetting it first before I add in some shampoo. Now the hair is pretty thick, so you have to make sure you really get in there. Now I did make the mistake of getting the wefts wet, and that is perfectly fine if you're washing them and everything, but if you're installing them right after you wash them like I am in this video, I don't recommend getting them wet, or at least try and avoid as much water as possible, specifically towards the top of the hair where those clips are. And next I'm going to go in with some conditioner and make sure I lather that on pretty well. I am detangling while I'm working in the conditioner, just raking through the hair. I also grabbed my Denman brush and started brushing it out just so it can be easier when it's time to actually install my hair too. But it's crazy how long this hair got after detangling and brushing it out. The hair is still pretty thick and does really well with getting wet and being washed. Now they're freshly washed. I want to say like they're damp, but they're fully detangled and everything. So now it's time to put it in my head. Right now my hair is in a wet bun, so we can see like a before and after before I put these in to really get the full effect. Now that all the prep is done, we're gonna actually start putting these clip-ins in my head. Essentially what we're gonna do is section off each part of my hair and then put the clip-in right on top and then blend it in as we go. The important thing is to have crisp parts. Not so much for the style, but more so when you take it out, you don't want it to be snagging all different parts of your hair. So it's important to have like that crisp line to be able to like take it out. after the fact. It's just much easier to keep up with when you know the exact place it's supposed to go rather than a free-for-all. Also, to help out, I got this handy dandy back of the head mirror thing to help me see parts, because the back of my head be struggling, I can't lie. I do not know what's going on back there half the time. Where'd you go? You know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the horizon. And I usually like to clip the ends first and then clip the middle, just because the ends are like what really, you know, make it look tight and firm versus hold it in place. And the middle is just a little bit easier to snap on. It's looking cute already. And if you see, the clip is as close as possible to that part. I am also going to start going in, at least for like the bottom sections, to putting in a cream and a mousse. The products necessarily don't matter so much, but more so the type of product that you're putting in. So something to like really define those curls and then something to hold it. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Say our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We can have it, that's all right. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than once. We can have it, that's all right. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than once. We can have it, that's all right. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Say our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We can have it, that's all right. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than once. We can have it, that's all right. Take you there, take you there. Please be don't just be nothing you. I want you to give it to me, yeah. Please be don't just be nothing you, yeah. I want you to give it to me, yeah.
Say you every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, purple. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
So now that all the clip-ins are installed, we're just gonna finish off with some lightweight oil. Huge shout out to Curlsqueen for letting me try out this amazing hair. I have to say, like, I am in love with the finished product. Like, this is so cute. I especially like these clip-ins because they blend so well with my natural hair, even if it's not the same exact curl pattern as mine. Mine has like a little bit of heat damage, color damage, whatever you want to call it, so it is a little bit looser, but I think it still blends amazingly. It looks like my hair. I feel like the best part is this is just like enhancing my natural look, my natural hair, rather than having it change it. Like, I didn't have to put any heat on this. Mostly let this air dry over a few hours, but I did blow dry the roots of my hair because the wefts were a little wet after washing them. But other than that, like, I feel like this is such a low maintenance style, which is amazing. In every girl's hair journey, you definitely need one of those low maintenance hairstyles that still give you a look that makes you feel really good or look really good or want to step out. Yeah, I just feel like that's so important, especially if you are really trying to grow your natural hair. The best way to grow your natural hair is to wear your natural hair. These curly clip-ins are a great option. I honestly can't believe how well it actually blends with, like, you can't even tell like where my hair starts or ends. I did have one 3-part clip left just because it's so much hair. Like, I didn't even use the entire bundle, but you see how full this actually is. Okay, and look at the ends. Like, this looks amazing. So I had to show y'all a few more angles. This is the hair, and then I would say this round up to here is my hair. So thank you to Curlsqueen for sponsoring this video. Let me know what y'all think, and if y'all have any questions, I love to talk about hair. Comment down below what y'all think about these clip-ins, would y'all try them. Yeah, thank y'all for watching, and see y'all next time.
That bitch, put your hands up.